Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to another vlog. So it is currently Thursday, October 15th, and I just got home from school. It's 12:15. You guys know that I started in-person school full-time yesterday on Wednesday. If you guys watched my vlog, then you would know that. And you know, I get out after my fourth period, which is around 12 o'clock, and then I get home. So I thought I would vlog my afternoon for you guys since I'm all done with school. I have a little bit of homework, but that's obviously for later because it's literally the afternoon. I'm actually gonna go get my nails and my toes done because they're so bad. It's been over 3 weeks since I got my nails done and like way too long since I got my toes done. I'm wearing leggings and high tops, so I need to change so that I can get my toes done. It's been like 50 degrees every single morning, so it's freezing. And then in the afternoon, it's a little warmer. Then let's see, I have a call with my manager in the afternoon. And then I'm required to go support our JV cheerleaders and JV football players at 6 p.m. for their game tonight. You guys know varsity has to support like our JV girls and our freshman girls. They cheer on the same team because we didn't have enough football players to make a freshman and a JV team. It's just one big JV team. And all of us cheerleaders are going. We have to wear like our cheer shirt and stuff. So I thought this would be a fun afternoon to vlog for you guys. I just took off my shoes while I was talking to you. We have our big rivalry game tomorrow, which I'm going to be vlogging for my main channel. And we had a cheerleader football player breakfast this morning and they gave us these cute little goodie bags. Mine has a mustache. It's a big game this week. Biggest rivalry, so that's always funsies. And it's a home game, so like I said, that will be on my main channel soon. But I thought I'd show you guys like an afternoon of my life because I get done with school so early and it's really, really nice. I can show you guys what I'm wearing. I was wearing leggings like you saw to school. I've been in-person school for 2 days in a row now and I've worn leggings both times. If that doesn't tell you how I feel about it. This is what I wore today. I wore this oversized Fila zip up. I thrifted this a little while ago and it's my first time wearing it and I love it. It's got that like raincoaty material and it's just really big, and this like flashes, like it's that material that flashes. If you put the flash on it, it bunches up at the bottom, but it can go down like really long if I wanted it to, but we keep it up here. It just zips up here and it has Fila down the arm. I just changed it to some Forever 21 shorts and then my white Birks, and we are gonna go to the nail salon now. Kate is not gonna be doing my nails for the first time in like 2 years because she's pregnant. She has to be on break right now on like maternity leave, I think, so I'm gonna have somebody else do my nails and my toes for the first time in so long, which kind of stinks because I miss Kate and it's been 3 weeks since I've seen her, but we're praying for her and her baby. Oh shoot, my car has been yelling at me to get gas for the past like day. I totally forgot. Yep, that was it, just yelling at me to get gas. Okay, Wallows. Such a good song. I showed this in my last vlog, but I changed my case. You guys know how much I love Casetify cases. This is not sponsored by them, but I have worked with them before a few times, and this is so cutie. I love the neon green. And then the reason why there's like a magnet on the back is because I have a magnetic thing for my phone in my car to hold it, so it's hands-free because it's illegal to be on your phone while you're driving in Georgia. Let's back out of the driveway. I have a really long driveway. I don't know if anybody knows that, so it takes me a sec, but I'm pretty speedy at it. I do say so myself. I almost hit the bushes. See? That's what happens when you don't pay attention. Some guy almost just watched me hit my bushes. That's embarrassing. He's coming up here. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you so much. He just handed me a mayor thing or senator thing for Georgia. What do I do with this? I can't vote. Oh, my neighbors. I love them. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm at the nail salon now. I just got out of the nail salon and I was only in there for an hour, which is really good, and I got 2 new people. I knew both of them because you guys know I go to the same nail salon every time. They like work with my mom before. I just got this like pretty black with red glitter in it and I thought it was kind of spooky for Halloween, but I also have to keep it a natural color for cheer, so black is natural. I've been getting away with black, so that's a good thing. They put oil all over my legs and normally they use lotion, so now I'm like a little greasy. I got white on my toes. I hate showing toes because I hate feet and I think it's disgusting. But now I'm gonna go to Starbucks because I'm so thirsty. The only thing I've eaten today is half a Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit. That's been my diet so far and it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna go get a drink from Starbucks because I'm so thirsty. And then I need gas because I have less than 22 miles. That's not good. And then I need to answer some business emails when I get home. So that's what we're gonna do.
Hi, welcome to Brook with Starbucks. It's Shauna. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I please have a venti green tea with lemonade sweetened with light ice, please?
Sure, venti green tea lemonade sweetened with light ice. What else can I get for you?
A birthday cake pop, please.
Sure, anything else?
That's all.
And your name?
Katie.
663. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Oh, she was so nice. I would get so nervous when I vlog at the drive-thru. I'm like, I don't know if they can hear me.
Katie?
Yes.
Right there, 663. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here you are, Katie.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a good day.
You have a nice day also.
Nitro lid. Why is gas so dang expensive? Also, I hate the gas station. It's scary. Last time I accidentally clicked 89 instead of 87. Yeah. 20 bucks? Let's get a 21. There we go. 21 bucks. On the dot. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Ew. So many germs on this. Do you want a receipt? No, thank you. I'm gonna leave my keys and my phone on my car. Mess. Oh, guys, look, I got a Katie's Corner sticker on the Caiti Coupe. Link down below. Shop this shop. I'm obviously home now and I have to film my morning show announcements. I say this every time, but I'm on screen for my high school morning show, and since we're still doing it like remotely, we start filming our announcements back in the studio next week. This is our last week of like doing it remotely. We only have 3 days of school this week. I'm doing that right now, setting up the big tripod, my ring lights on, and this is literally gonna take me 5 minutes because I only have one announcement today, which is really nice. I think I'm just gonna chill and relax and do some homework until it's time to go to the JV game. Jamie, I think, is gonna take me because she was like, can I take you? And I was like, sure, I don't really want to drive. I've been driving all day. The camera quality difference between my big camera and my G7X is hilarious, but I'm gonna film this now and then I'll see you guys later. So it's 5:15 now. It's really dark in my room. I don't know why. It's really pretty outside though, and I'm getting all my stuff for the game. Like I said, we have to wear our black cheer shirt, our black cheer mask, and we got our boat houses. That's what we call them. They're basically just like raincoat kind of material of our varsity jackets. And then I just need to put some shoes on. We don't have to wear cheer shoes or anything because we're like going to support them. I think I'm just gonna wear some red shoes to match the red right here. I wore my red Converse to school today, but I think I want to wear my red Vans. I have not worn these in so long, so I think I'm gonna bust these babies out. And yeah, I don't know how much I'll vlog at the game. It's not gonna be a very long game because it's JV. Their quarters are only 10 minutes instead of 12 or 15 like hours. Yes, I'm gonna walk backwards for lighting. So we just got to the school. We are supposed to be here like 10 minutes ago, but it's okay. Jamie forgot her boathouse at home, so we had to go get them. But our entire team is waiting up here for us. We got a sprint walk. Yeah. Should we run? We should probably run. Okay. Hey guys, so today we're at the JV game. We're at the JV game. JV game. And see, we're staring down the JV. They can all see me vlogging. You wanna say hi? Yeah. But we made it. Is that Bryan? That looks like Bryan. Bryan? No, he's not here. No, my dad is not here. He will be here for practice later though. Warning. Yeah, that's better. Kick off. Go. Guys, this gives me PTSD of last year. Low-key fun though.
PTSD when there's only parents in the school.
Yeah, there's like no one here, but it's okay. Look at all of our macho men football players. Macho men. They're claiming their territory.
You cut me out of it last time.
No, I didn't.
She gave you such a good spot.
I was in it. Yeah, you didn't watch it?
No, I did watch it. I didn't see me.
How do I start it? Does anyone know how to start it? How do you start it?
It's recording. Give me good content.
I vlog.
Wait, can we take a thumbnail?
Basically, we're at the JV football game because we're cheering the JV girls on. There they are.
I mean, I'll text
Show them the scoreboard. Scoreboard, we're losing.
You can't even see it.
Happy Thursday. Game day tomorrow. Beat Milton. Mess with Milton. Wish us luck because we're going to get our butts handed to us.
Don't say that. That's bad. You just manifested bad stuff.
This is our favorite JV gal. This is Katie's Corner. Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna break it.
If you're Caiti editing this, mwah.
And
I hope you're having a good day.
Okay, talk to you later. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!